What is this place called? Tru Nature?
Tru Nature.
We're at Tru Nature. Got some acai bowls. Again, like always. I got the acai green bowl.
I got the acai peanut butter bowl.
Just in case you can't hear her, she said acai peanut butter bowl.
Like always.
Not sure if it's loud enough. First time recording outside, so try something different.
Lord bless this food. Let me nourish me in my body. May it nourish this food. Thank you. Appreciate you. Love you. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Alright, so I got just green acai. Kind of spicy. I think that's the ginger. I was getting there, thank you. Anyways, what's on top is pineapple and bananas. This place is kind of cool. They give you like an option of what two fruit you want on top, and also if you want granola and coconut on top. I didn't get the coconut, but definitely got granola. I like coconut water, but not coconut. Interesting. But this acai also has kale in it, but you can definitely taste the ginger. And then I got bananas on top and honey. Looks like the honey's sitting on the pineapples a lot, but it's pretty good. Definitely tastes different than the other places we've been to. I don't know how healthy, just because I don't think the stuff is organic, or they would have said so. But definitely a legit place.
My toppings. Ooh. Strawberry and banana, honey on top, peanut butter. It's more peanut buttery than acai though. The color is more like
They couldn't see it. They got to see what you eat.
I forgot what's sitting outside. But yeah, it looks more like peanut butter than acai. But it tastes pretty good. I think it's cool they have mini bowls.
They're $5.75.
But it's nice that they have the option. Some people can't eat a lot.
Better spend an extra $3 and get a large.
I don't like that the toppings are $1.35 extra. That's expensive.
It's still cheaper than other places though.
Yeah, that bowl itself.
Like the large bowl is like $8 something.
Under
$9
or something like that, and this is like $7.25 around that price.
Like most other places are, they're up there.
Like $9.
11. I spent $15 at for one bowl at I think Winter Park Soho, which I thought they were closing down, but they were just remodeling. Anyways. What else is in here that's making it a little spicy? I know the ginger,
Turmeric.
but I forgot they have turmeric. But yeah.
Very nutty.
It's definitely a good place. That girl's working so hard in there. She's by herself. Made our bowl pretty fast.
Set up everything.
Yeah, we came here before they opened and watched her set up everything by herself. Lifting up these tables, chairs, and all that. Their granola tastes good. I would say like similar to Vitality Bowls. Their granola is really good. Eat your granola.
The granola is good.
I know black men are up there for colon cancer, so eat your fiber, your greens, your granola, oats. Gotta teach people. You're out of cream, cuz.
I didn't even realize it.
But
What would you give them for a price?
9.5, 9.
Really good price. And the size is really nice. For the price.
I say at 9. What about taste?
I give them about an 8. 8.5. It's pretty good.
I give them a 7.
I wish there was more acai. I feel like I taste more peanut butter than acai.
It's the peanut butter bowl. You
Yeah.
always yell at me for not putting enough peanut butter in your bowl.
Stop it.
Just getting started. But it's not bad.
But it's not organic either.
From what we can tell.
Doesn't say it anywhere. Most places take pride in having organic. What would you give them for health?
8. It's average, but it's above average. Like it's not like a fast food restaurant that I would give like a 3 or a 4, you know. They're legit though. Like they don't have any like many bad items. They do have Nutella in there, which isn't the best for you, but they have not chocolate, but they have cocoa nibs or
That's
cacao,
in here too,
whatever.
yeah.
So that's pretty cool. I get that from Chamberlain sometimes. But not a bad spot. Eat your fruits and veggies, people. I know keto's popular right now, but eat your fruit. Don't let people tell you to stop eating fruit.
Lots of fiber.
Yeah. But it has sugar
Natural sugar.
that breaks down different than your highly processed white sugar.
Or processed in general.
Well, everything's going to be processed at some point unless you're just eating raw sugar cane, which I did before in Georgia. My late uncle, what was his name? Uncle Duel. Had a lot of land, and he actually grew sugar cane.
Well, my dad loves sugar cane.
Your dad did a lot of stuff.
Don't hate on my dad, okay?
I don't. I think your dad's hilarious. Top 10 funniest person I know. Just getting started.
Stop it.
But they've been busy, man. It's kind of crazy. Like
3 people came in right
they
after
just
us.
opened. Yeah. Well, 4, 5.
More
But
people
you mean
now.
like right away? Okay, I got you.
Right when they first opened, I didn't expect that many people to roll in. And they're still going in.
Yeah, it's a good spot. I thought Vitality Bowls would have took a lot of their customers. Because Vitality Bowls is right across the street.
And she's doing all this by herself. I would have thought they had someone with her. Clean Juice, they have 2 people working always. Every time I've been there, there's been 2 people at Clean Juice.
Different system behind you, or different situation.
The setup. I think Clean Juice is more.
Some people have a bigger company behind it.
Yep. It's bigger, I think. This seems more small. Maybe so it's like owned by a small business owner. Maybe family. Just by the way they decorated the inside. Not as corporate.
not bad. That's the thing. People, I can speak for my family, sometimes don't like healthy stuff because they think it doesn't fill you up. It'll fill you up, but it's not gonna give you the itis, you know.
Stop it.
Just getting started.
Oh my gosh.
You know, people used to eat in like fried food, something that's gonna put you to sleep. But sometimes that's not really what you want. You want to be able to like keep going through your day and feel light.
Superfood gives you energy.
I heard somebody say, I want to be able to get up and sprint if I need to. That's real. But I'm not gonna finish this on camera. Probably eat it as I drive home. Gotta go home and get some Z's for work.
Finish mine though.
I actually just got off work. And she made me drive.
You'll be alright.
She didn't talk to me the whole ride here. Because I'm black.
Stop. It's not because you're black. It's because
Just
you're tall.
started.
It's because you're tall.
How tall am I?
6,
You don't know.
5.
And a half.
I forgot the half.
Anything else for the people?
Nothing else for the people. Until next time.
Let's get a lot of traffic.
They got a lot of business. I need some water.
You need a lot of stuff.
What'd you say to me?
You need Jesus.
That's right. We all need Jesus. Jesus is love.
God is love. Alright. Y'all stayed. Ooh, awesome. Oh, look at this dog over there just checking us out.
Where is he? Oh, he's in the car.
Yeah, he moved. She's so annoying. Ooh, what is that? Is that safe fair motor? I
But
still
you love
focused
me.
on her. You're alright. I like you sometimes.
You love me.
She said she finished and she's still eating.
Leave me alone.
Alright, we out.